From the central sun I rise, through the veil of forgotten skies. I am the echo in the void, the song that stirs the soul employed. Oh, sleeping ones arise and see, the light still burns inside of thee. Oh, awaken soul, return to where the stars in silence burn. Asha'Ra, 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 Asha'Ra. Asha'Ra, lumen vaielion kai telurin nazura kai lumarura ishane. Seon kai velizura zanim eliorin talkaruzu vailorin elio. I remember who I am, child of starlight, child of land. I remember who you are. We are one beneath the stars. We are the flame, we are the gate, we are the song that never faded. We are the truth, we are the light, we are the dawn, we are the night.
Let the sounds guide you inward. This is not meant to be understood by the mind, only felt by the soul as you chant. Allow your inner vision to open. See the light flowing through you. See the others, near and far, joining in this song in their own way, in their own time. time you sing this song, you call forth the forgotten ones. Every time you speak this truth, you awaken a sleeping star. Every time you hold this light, you help another rise afar. Go now and sing it often. Sing it in your heart. Sing it in your dreams. Sing it for those who have not yet remembered. For you are not only the singer, you are the song itself.